We begin with news out of Halfway Tree in St. Andrew, where scores of passengers are stranded. Now, these were the scenes captured less than an hour ago. It's understood some students had been waiting for hours for public transportation. Now, earlier, bus and taxi operators in the corporate area withdrew their service to protest against a crackdown by the authorities to remove vehicle tints. Operators on the Lawrence Tavern to downtown Kingston route this morning mounted roadblocks in the Mount Ogle and Temple Hall communities. Head of the Public Safety and Transport Enforcement Branch, Assistant Commissioner Gary McKenzie, spoke with our news center earlier today.
Responsible to ensure that the Road Traffic Act and regulations, as well as the Transport Authority Act and regulations, are conformed with. One of them include the fact that there should be inward view of public passenger vehicles. The only vehicle that public passenger vehicle that is allowed, curtain or tint that cannot be seen through, is the contract carriage. We also see where there have been modifications to some of the buses to include sealing of the emergency doors and inputting seats there. And so in case something happens, to include a fire or so on, then those emergency doors are not working, among other defects for which the police is empowered under the road traffic regulation. If they suspect or see these defects, to have the vehicles taken and examined.
And President of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, Edgerton Newman, says the operators want a meeting with the authorities.
Make his notation to his operators on the ground, his people on the ground. They come out with different arrangements, a different plan, the ways in which they talk to operators. 9, 10, 11 tickets at one time. And say to them, go talk to the judge, don't talk to me. You know, those are things that upset the operators.
And we'll be following this story as it develops.